Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today, oh my gosh, no, sorry, I don't care about that. You can get more. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today, I'm gonna be showing you the Jam-jamaaliday gifts and their bow and arrows. Yes, I'm using my little. Oh my gosh, I just got this, and should I? Because I really want it to be rare for him or whatever. Goodbye. Alright. Yay, more for bow and arrows. How about wait oh, I don't know. My sister's account. Well, she doesn't really care about her account anymore. So I really don't care also. This is amazing. I knew this day will come. Ooh. Alright. Sorry. Never mind that. Oh my gosh! Oh my glove! Let me try it on from her. Yes, got it. I got it. She doesn't care. She doesn't care. OMG hat. OMG hat. What else? I don't know. Bye.